Selecting row or column. After inserting a table, you can select any row, column or cell for other functions. To select a row, click in the row selection area of the row you want to select. The row gets selected. You can also select a row by clicking and dragging the left mouse button over the row. To select a column, hover your mouse in the column selection area at the top of a column. The mouse pointer changes to a downward pointing arrow. Then click on the column to select it. Selecting adjacent cells. To select the adjacent cells, click in a cell and drag through the rows or columns. Or click in the cell keeping the Shift key pressed. Press the arrow key to select the cells. Inserting row or column. You can insert rows or columns in a table from Table Tools. To insert rows or columns in a table, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Layout tab in Table Tools. Step 2. Select a row or column where you want to add an additional row, column or cell. Step 3. In the Rows and Columns group, click the desired option. Deleting row or column. To delete rows, columns or cells from a table, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the rows, columns or cells which you want to delete from the table. Step 2. Click on Layout tab under the Table Tools. Step 3. In the Rows and Columns group, click on Delete command. Step 4. A drop-down menu appears. Select Desired option. If you choose Delete Cells option, a Delete Cells dialog box appears. Select Desired option.